Viva La Fiesta. We are here at Carowinds, and if you haven't joined us before, we are Rubbing with the Richards. My name is Jonathan. My wife Angelica was not able to attend this event with us, but like I said, we are here at Carowinds to celebrate Viva La Fiesta, the event that they're going on. That's going on from July 10th, not July 10th, July 18th to August 10th, only on the weekends, Friday to Sunday. So let's go ahead and check it out. So now over in the I guess you can call it the Thunder Striker Terrace, is where the festival is really highlighted at, especially with the foods and the drinks. So let's go ahead and check out what some of these booths have to offer. So this first booth right over here would have the bistec a la Mexicana. It's a traditionally seasoned beef sirloin with white onion, jalapeno peppers, and rice. And then they have a I cannot pronounce that, but it's from Peru. It's this one right here. It's a marinated shrimp with a fresh blend of chopped peppers, onion, and sweet potatoes, served with crispy tostons. I don't know how to pronounce that, but let's go check out what else they have. All right, this next booth over here is going to have brigadeiros, which is pretty much a fudge ball made with condensed milk and cocoa powder rolled in chocolate sprinkles. A colados clapianas. I pronounced that totally wrong. It's a refreshing fruit and sweet condensed milk. And this pastry treat that's right here is a puff pastry served with sweet filling of guava and cream cheese. And then they have a something chicken. It's a traditionally seasoned chicken thighs grilled with tomatoes, chilies, onions, and pumpkin seeds, served with corn tortillas. And this last food booth over in the Thunder Striker area, you have the bolanos. I cannot pronounce that. Anyways, these fried donuts tossed in cinnamon sugar. Something that's Argentinian. They are from Argentina. It's a bun de pan, I guess that's how it's pronounced. But anyway, it's a roast pork sandwich with chimichurri and salsa, and then tostones and salsa rosada. I guess that's how that's pronounced. But twice fried plantain chips with salsa. And then you have the La Estrella stage with the shows Fiesta bands and the Wepa Summer Fiesta. Those three shows will be performing here. Now you do have the Cantina, which is going to show off a little bit more of the cocktail drinks and a little bit of mocktails, I think. But you have the Moonshine Rum Punch, the Salted Melon Margarita, the Mojito de Limonada, the Caribbean Colada, the Pineapple Punch, and the Caribbean Colada, which the Pineapple Punch and the Caribbean Colada are spirit-free. Alright guys, so we got one of the drinks over at the Cantina, and that is the Caribbean Colada, not the spirit-free one, just the regular drinks. We're going to try it out. And that's really good. Really big rum drinker as far as I really like the rum cocktails anyway, so this is a win. All right, so right next to the Thunder Road Racers, you have another display, an area that you can go into, where you're gonna have, that's where the Cantina and the Nacho Nook is at, and then also another stage where here's the other stage where the Baliza do Samba and the DJ Dance Party, both of those shows will be at. So they do have a sticker activity just outside the Thunder Striker Terrace, where you can get your sticker number and match it up on the board to help go on with the art design. All right, so I want to try one of the, I think it's called the Brigadeiros. It's the chocolate dessert, the chocolate ball. I'm going to try one of those and see how it tastes. Straight up a fudge ball. It's really good if you really like chocolate. This is great. Would definitely recommend.
Hola, bienvenidos, welcome to Viva La Fiesta. Yo soy Veracruz.
Yo soy Catarina.
And the invite's officially open for you to join us for the biggest, grandest fiesta this state line's ever seen. I know our favorite way to celebrate at a fiesta is to bailar. So what are you waiting for out there? Come dance with us as we present Fuego. Let's start off with
Alyssa. She's coming up first to show you her hot dance moves. Get it, Alyssa.
Gracias, amigos. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. We're going to give you guys a kiss tonight as we present you Huepa.
All right, my friends. We're bringing them the cup of life tonight.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for us here this evening here at Carowinds. The Viva La Fiesta is a great festival that Carowinds added this year. It's brand new. It runs until August 10th, and again, it's only on Friday evenings, Saturday, and Sunday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday evenings, going from like 4 to the park closes. And they'll have like a park closing show right there at the end that we're going to attach pretty much right after this closing segment. So outside of that, I mean, like, check out the food. Even though I only tried one thing on the food, which was like a dessert, it still was great. I wish Angelica was with me, because then it would be a little bit more foodie on some of the clip, like for a clip. But the drinks was awesome. As far as the drink I got, they all look delicious. Definitely come out, check this event out, so we can get more events like this here at Carowinds. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.
Some Latin culture and love to the Carolinas. Let's give it to them.
Give it up for Fuego.
Amazing job. Thank you all so much for coming out and partying with us tonight here at Viva La Fiesta.
We've enjoyed having you a part of the familia this evening, and have fun out there. The park is now closed. Y buenas noches.